Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can look up the nth largest number and display something other than that number. So that might be a little confusing, but essentially what we're going to do today is create a formula that will, one, help you find the nth largest number. You know, for example, the first largest, second largest, third largest, fourth largest, whatever we decide, and then to find that number and display something different than that number. Again, still a little confusing. So this is the example we have, and it's going to make a lot more sense as we're going through it. But basically you have, in this column, you have states with populations. And what we want to do is we want to rank these states from highest to lowest population, right? Now, honestly, what you could do is just filter and you could go largest to smallest and that's going to do it for you. But say you have a huge set of data and you have a summary tab and you only want to display maybe the first, second, and third largest states. But you don't want it to display population. You want it to display California, for example, as the most populated state in this list. So basically, the formula to find the largest number, first, second, third, or fourth, whatever it be, is you're going to want to use the large function. All right, so you're going to want to select the array or the data set where you're trying to determine the largest number. Then it's going to ask for k, the nth number you want to find. So this could be the first, let's say. So if I put a 1 there, it's going to show me the largest number. If I put a 2, the second largest, and so on, right? So I'll just put a 1 there, and that's going to give me 39,240,000, which is California. And just looking at the small list, we can see that that is the largest number. But we're going to make this formula a little bit easier, because if we wanted to copy this formula, we'd have to continually change this number to a 2, to a 3, to a 4, right? And so on all the way down, and that can be super time consuming. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a number in this column. We're just going to put 1, 2, 3, all the way down to the end of the column, which will end at 10. First, what we're going to do is we're going to want to lock that data set with $signs, right? And then we'll do comma, and instead of typing a 1, what we'll do is we'll just select that cell, because that'll be 1. All right, then we can drag this formula down, and it's going to display the largest to the lowest number going from 1 to 10. All right, so that's great. Now we've found the numbers that are the biggest, but we don't want it to display the population. We want it to display the state. So this is where the rest of the formula comes in, and this is going to be an index match function, which is a lookup function. All right, so if you're familiar with those, basically you type in index, and then it's going to ask for your array, which in this case is going to be what is going to be displayed, or what we want the lookup value to find and then display. So we're going to select this set right here because we want it to display the state. Then we'll go ahead and hit comma, and then we'll type in match, and then we're actually going to want to lock this set as this range as well. And then we're going to do match, and the lookup value for our match function is going to be the formula we already created. And that's essentially going to find, you know, the first largest, second largest, third largest, fourth largest, right? Down the row. And we're going to want it to find that in this range. We'll go ahead and lock that as well. And then we're going to want that to be an exact match. So a 0. Then we can hit enter. And yes. And then that's going to display the states from highest population to lowest population. And just to make sure, we're just going to filter this real quick just to kind of show you that the formula works. Essentially, this row should be the same as this row. And looking at it, it looks like we're all the same across the board here. All right, so not a crazy complicated formula. It's tough to put a name on this process, but essentially that's how you're going to find the nth largest number and then have it display something different through an index match function. Before you go, please smash the like button and leave a comment. I really appreciate the support on all these videos that I have. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.